Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeChef. In the last few videos, we learned how to build a linked list step by step, adding nodes at the start and at the end, and even after a specific position. Now today we are going to do the opposite. We are going to remove the nodes from the linked list carefully, safely, and without breaking anything. And as always, don't just watch, practice alongside. Open the CodeChef online compiler, run the code, and try your own inputs. The link is in the description below. So let's dive in.
Linked list deletion. What does deletion really mean? When we say deletion in a linked list, we don't mean remove a number. We actually mean three things: find the node, find the links, free the memory. Remember, a linked list is not stored in one block like an array. Every node is connected using pointers. So if we delete a node without fixing the link, the list breaks. Two simple deletion cases. Now, just like insertion, deletion has two main cases: delete from the start, delete from any other position. And here's the good news: once you understand these two cases, you can delete any node in the list. Let's talk about deleting from the front. Let's say our linked list looks like this. Now we want to delete 10. What do? We simply move the head forward. Think of the head as the entry gate of the list. The steps would look like: first, store the current head in a temporary pointer, move the head to the next node, and delete the old head. That's it. This is the fastest deletion in linked list. They go one time complexity. But one very important checklist: if the list is empty, there is nothing to delete. Deleting from any other position. Now let's say our list is this, and we want to delete 2. We cannot jump directly to 2. Why? Because in a singly linked list, each node only knows who comes next, not who comes before. So, what's the solution? We stop one node before the target. We traverse the list, keep track of the previous nodes, change its next pointer. So, 1, 2, 3 become 1 to 3. And then we safely delete node 2. No broken links, no memory leaks, perfect. Searching before deleting. In real programs, we usually don't say delete the third node. We say delete the node with value 20. So first, we search the list. While searching, if the value is at the head, we execute front deletion, otherwise middle or end deletion. If the value doesn't exist, we simply say value not found and move on. Now let's look at a very simple example. Alright, we start with our standard input-output library, and here we have structure node, which defines a node of a singly linked list. Data stores the integer value, and next is a pointer to the next node in the list. Now this head stores the address of the first node, and it is initialized to null. The list is empty initially. Now we have insert end function to add a new mode at the end of the linked list. Now node asterisk new mode dynamically allocates memory for a new node. This assigns the value given to the node's data. And since it will be the last node, next is set to null. If the list is empty, make new node the first node and exit the function. Now this is the temporary pointer to traverse the list. Now it moves temp until it reaches the last node. Now it links the last node to the new node. Delete node deletes the first occurrence of value in the list, and this line temp used to traverse the list, and this previous keeps track of the previous node. Now first, if the head is null, there is nothing to delete. Now first node needs deletion, so if the value of the first node moves head to the second node, it frees memory of the old first node and it exits the function. Now we traverse through the list until value is found or end of the list is reached. So if the value is not found, value not found is printed, and then it skips the current node by linking previous node to the next node, which frees the memory and prints confirmation of deleted. Now this prints the entire linked list and it starts traversal from the first node, and it loops until the end of the list. Now it prints the current node's data and then it moves to the next node. It prints null indicating the end of the list. So now our main function starts here. We've inserted end of 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our input. And now let's try running this program. Alright, here we can see that for deletion we had 1, 2, 3, 4 and then null, and we deleted 2, which was exactly what we expected. So this line deletes node containing 2, and as expected we can see that 2 is deleted from this list. Now let's recap what we've learned. Deleting a node is finding plus fixing links plus freeing memories. Front deletion is easy. Middle deletion needs a previous pointer and always handle empty lists.
Now it's your turn. Practice deleting different nodes on CodeChef compiler. Try deleting the head, the last node, the values that don't exist. Keep practicing, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one.